kabato sanga amanere enkwana yaye naboigo bogima bwaye buna omongina naboigo omogosore bw'ekigosori ekiria kyokoiga togosuka mutwe buna enchira eyamo yogosira amasomo gose chisemi naboigo obumanyi bwekerero gose digitally nigo litko lya lero oboterendi bwa college eyemo kurwa sense moya suneka yikorongwa korista yanyara kobagego chakiwa bene kurengano mo director bwa college eyo nigo atebire kerengekere no konekia buna abamenyi bomochi osuneka buna boigo chinse mochiri chietana ina semeyo banyara ko bakwemanya nabo igo gwesomya igoro yechi computer buna enchira eye mohyo konyara ko bagwesira nabo igo twara obumanyi sobo koreri bwabo bwa kirali tuko egati yabamenye nabo igo abonjoreria kurwa somo cyo yosuneka ni banyara ko bako kerege tambokero ekyo nakobori abange banyara ko bakwerikia moneskuru iyo sekerenga gikonyara chisemi chechi computer unagotomonyo molikyo ito Evelyn Osero
Eriogo kinie birenko biechisemini gobone skuru ya Korista Training College yegoro bene ensemo ya suneka asaba iboli babori we koriki abana babo
asama litangoro kwa Josephat Mugaka ya suneka ninka se college yenye ya chire kwa Korista Training College anda maene yentunda batebi abayibuli twabere no moko monena so twale college muneye kiagera ne chiwokonya abana samangana digital kyarabona ya technology asia ikire abagina n'abagaka ntruchi wekaransa tengense eri yakare toreta abana iga abali mbara igamba bwato bumanyi wekarango kegoro mono elinde abana baito banyare ko bakubri next skill chingia elinde bakonye kenyoro amane society bona gatomenyete
neskuru ekorwa chikos au asabaro kiwa bekerengo kende yonsi
iya college enkuru chikos au tubata mangana computer engineering chikosi na chabo IC3 gumwana ne batakure form 4 na bagucha iga abwate course ya computer elinde mokonya asubunyo wa mambi nabana bali batanya arete ko so university ko college kirimo mayete kinene cyobone bitali bwalimu abana abo bagucha iga bachakire certificate bagende diploma bagende bakore none degree
omo director bwe skure yo Dickson Onyanko ni gaine kiabu namba bwa temerobiro au eriogo ikirania amasomo asenchira ebwenerete.
Among the other things which are going to be done in the college includes we are going to have digital learning or digital platform where people shall be able to learn from home and also online physical classes. We have enough facilities for that. Then we are aiming higher to even increase other facilities, increase rooms and the rest. But for now, we have a capacity of up to 150 students per session. So all are welcome to join the school ili wasome pamoja nasi.
Abaigane gati abaria bakonyekire ase skure yega ase bawakangambia mono ase obasemya babere bakonyora
ntitwalinga batange ngo soise college gabuna abagaka gusubuna abana boda boda uche kusoma ikurinde college yega yito in fact mwalimu wo otolete ya college yega na umwalimu gabuna otolete school yega gabuna atarashi gochaka in fact nga mundise te computer ko bateka biri tukabata at least mbale tukayabuna tuamanyire bano buna nchomo gaka ndanyari gukurikira computer rirube na gugutumira
asomo topakeri ni rasma tware certificate ya kirasi 12 asisamu yuwa de patability moreto mono yakora masomo ega ambira mambiende akonye supermarket yetu chesune kama
egati abaro kiwani go bato yeskuru ya sobo korero buya bwekerengo kibwenerete asibarigania basae elio kwenyorera obosemya.
Korista College is the best place to be, and as far as computer skills is concerned, I would like to tell you that to join this place. As a student in this place, my experience is that we have the best teachers here who are skilled and they know how to handle students effectively, and the way at which they deliver the content is very good. And I would just like to urge you and encourage you that this is a good place to be. And some of the services that they provide here are good and of high quality, and for that reason, welcome and welcome. Thank you.
Nokuboria kwa ruwe wasabanto kwajerera elio kwenyorera libaga ase skure yo na konyorobo semya igoro yobo tumeki nobo manyi which computer asenchira ya moyo wekonya ase amatukaribucio.
Tunahimiza wanafunzi kuja na kujiunga nasi katika shule yetu college ambayo ni ya kisasa.
College yega nebwata mabagaisa ine ayira bwango elinde mwana obanya konyora chise mechitu akwanire
ngo reporter ya Ndizi TV erietariane Evelyn Osero.